So as you may not know, in the new event, the Great War, there is something you should know about that will be useful for grinding the last few days of the event. So, for some apparent reason, the rangefinders in this event vehicles, the rangefinders are just overpowered. Well, they range find so quickly, I don't even know why, but it just does that. Either the people in World War One had very great range finding skills, or the developers on this Great War event just overlooked this for some apparent reason. Well, this can be used to grind and it can be very useful. So, yeah, bye. Today's the new Owls and Miguels.